So good to see you. And I saw you enjoying the track. So before we talk about the track, kindly, just address all these lovely people here. What do you have to say?
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for every single media member who is here today. Thank you, Sir Vishwa Prasad Garu, for having me in the project. Thank you to all my wonderful co-actors that I've had the privilege to work with. And I stand here with immense gratitude, a lot of pride, and quite blessed, to be honest, to have worked with India's biggest superstar, Prabhas Sir. And I just feel like the luckiest girl in the world. So thank you so much. And thanks to my team. Love you guys.
Thank you so much. वहाँ special ऐसा kisses मिल रहे, कमाल है आप
उधर
लोग.
ही बस.
I know ऐसा कुछ. Okay, great. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage another very gorgeous performer. She's supremely talented. Give it up for Malvika Mohanan. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. जब मैं आ रहा था तब नहीं चल रहा था तुमसे ही है अब बार-बार चलाएंगे. Okay, so of course they love you. We loved you in the song. So quickly, if you have to just talk about this moment to all the people here.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a very big thanks and a lot of love to all the lovely media in this room. And thank you for always being so sweet and so supportive. This is a special moment. So this movie, The Raja Saab, मेरा तेलुगु डेब्यू है और मैं काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रही थी कि एक अच्छे बड़े फिल्म के साथ तेलुगु में डेब्यू करूं. So I think getting to do a film with Prabhas sir is as big as it gets. So I'm excited, I'm grateful and happy to be a part of it. Big thank you to Vishwa Prasad Garu, our producer, Mr. Anil Thadani, who does not like public events, so is sitting there very nonchalantly. And to the rest of my lovely cast, all the lovely actors, it's lovely being here with all of you. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोग को फिल्म पसंद आए. ये एक हॉरर कॉमेडी है. एक्चुअली ये एक मिक्स जॉनर है. we're calling it a horror romantic comedy क्योंकि इसमें सारे एलिमेंट्स हैं. हॉरर है, रोमांस है, एक्शन है, ड्रामा है, इमोशन है. तो आप अपने फैमिली के साथ जाके देखिएगा. It's a film for kids. They will love it too. So I hope all of you watch it on January 9th and I hope all of you enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, of course. Now it's time to invite on stage this calm. बोलना चाहेंगी सबको यहाँ?
First of all, hello Mumbai. I think मैं यहाँ पर 7 साल के बाद आ रही हूँ. मेरी पहली फिल्म 8 साल के बाद आ रही हूँ. So I started with a हिंदी फिल्म. मेरी पहली फिल्म थी मुन्ना माइकल टाइगर के साथ में और हमारा यहीं पर ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ था. And it really life feels like a full circle, because that was the first time I became an actor and I got to get on stage and I'll never forget that moment. And this moment is equally special because I think this project, this genre, horror, romantic, comedy, fantasy, बहुत ही अलग genre है और I think Indian cinema के लिए it will be really nice and different और एक fresh concept है और I think हमारी audience को ज़रूर picture पसंद आएगी. I hope so. And super happy to be here, super grateful. Thank you Vishwa Garu, thank you Anil sir, Baman sir, Zarina ma'am, you have totally killed it in the film. आपको बहुत बहुत सारा प्यार मिलने वाला है इसके बाद में. Already मिल रहा है और भी बहुत ज़्यादा मिलेगा. And working with Prabhas sir, India's biggest superstar, I think it's an honor. And Maruti sir, our director, he could not be here today, but we miss him. And I think he's really done a fantastic job. And बस Jan 9th को आप लोग सब लोग please picture देखिए and I hope आप लोग को बहुत अच्छी लगेगी.
Absolutely. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां and Maruti sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां because that man has put in so much of hard work and yes है ना और अब उनका जो ये काम है वो देखने को मिलने वाला है. साथ ही थमन एस जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए for this amazing song. मैं एक बार माइक लेना चाह रहा हूँ. The stars have aligned जैसे बोलते हैं है ना.